Here I have iPhone XS Max, and let me show you how to disable background app refresh on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Here you need to find and select general. Let me tap it. Then from the following list, let's choose background app refresh. So here you can tap on background app refresh and you can switch it off. You can just use it by using the Wi-Fi, so let me do it. So right now the background will be refreshing only if I have the Wi-Fi connection. I can also tap back and I can, for example, disable a couple of apps, for example maps and the weather, so these apps won't be refreshing in my background. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.